These are my sausage cheese balls. Don't they look delicious? Nice and crispy. They've got cheese in the inside. 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Sausage cheese balls. You'd think I'd come up with a better name than that, but it's exactly what it is. It's sausage, Italian sausage, and cheese, and I form them into balls. And it's a great appetizer. It's great for a party, a potluck, any kind of function where you have to take some sort of an appetizer. It's really good for Super Bowl, and they're very addictive, easy to make. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. So I'm going to start with Italian sausage, 1 pound. This is a mild one. This one's from Aldi. My last batch was from Costco. That's very good Italian sausage. And if you don't eat pork, you can probably buy some ground chicken or turkey Italian type sausage. So this is 1 pound. I've got 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And I have 2 types in here. I've got a white extra old cheddar and a yellow. So in that goes 1 cup. And for flour, because I don't eat flour, this is Carbalose flour. It's 1/8 of a cup or 2 tablespoons. And we just put that in like that. I'm going to mix this up by hand. Now, I'm doing this on the grill today. You can do it in the oven if you like, but I've preheated this to 425 degrees. I have heat on this side, and nothing in the center. Or you can go into the oven if you like. But I'm going to put a little bit of smoke on mine today. And there's a little smoke box. You can put some pellets in, or I'm using Jack Daniels today, which is really good. And I just use a torch. This little smoke box is from Lowe's. It's $10 or something. And I just hit it with a torch like that. And that'll smoke nicely. There, you can see the smoke now. So I'm just going to mix this up till well combined. Well, that smells nice. The Italian sausage really makes this. There. Now this is a mild sausage. I'm going to make the balls into about the size of a golf ball. And what I'm going to do is, this is optional, but these are my naturally fermented jalapenos. And these are ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little surprise in the inside of each one, or half of them. Just enclose it over top like that. Roll it up just onto the tray. So I'll do that to all of them until I run out of jalapenos. And I'll keep track which ones are hot. And there's the last one. Just push the jalapeno in to the center and just enclose the ground sausage with cheese around it like that. Now what you can do, so that made 10, but what you can do is take it to this stage here and put this in the fridge and take it to a barbecue just like that, and then throw it on the grill, smoke, or whatever you do. I'm going to put my smoke in now. That's going nicely. I'm going to put these on 425 for about 20 minutes. I just want to have like a nice crunchy outside. You'll notice when it starts to get crispy, and it'll be cooked 20 minutes. So I'm going to go indirect right on the top shelf here. And there's the smoke. See, in 20 minutes. Okay, so that took exactly 20 minutes at 425, and I put some smoke on, which it really adds to it, in my opinion. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, see the color on that? Okay, the next step is to take them off. I'm just going to rest them on a piece of paper towel. Oh yeah, see that cheese? Got all nice and crispy. You can make them whatever. I made them large because I couldn't fit all the little ones on this pan. See the cheese, how that darkened up? But 20 minutes is definitely going to cook your sausage meat. I took it to 175, which is kind of high for sausage, but they're going to be cooked perfectly in the inside. And I checked it with my Thermapen. To serve this, I've got some different options for sauces. And I'm going to link to my barbecue sauce. It's sugar-free barbecue sauce, which is really good. Aioli sauce. You could go with, and there's lots of commercial stuff out there now. I'm finding that in the grocery stores, I'm finding all kinds of really good sauces. This one's called Carolina Barbecue Zero Sugar Sauce. And it's quite nice, actually with pork too. There's Sweet Baby Ray's no sugar added hickory barbecue. That's really good. And sticky fingers, that's very good with chicken. So I'm just going to put those into bowls, and you can take that and dip it in. There you go. There's my sausage cheese balls. First to go at a party. I would just make them up ahead of time, put them on the tray, on the cookie sheet, cover it, put it in the fridge, take it to somebody's house, and just cook it fresh. Sausage cheese balls. Thanks for watching.